Hyundai Santa Fe front wheel bearing replacement. A brand new one here. The product code in case you need. The car is standing right here. The front passenger one is making a massive grinding noise. Since I'm not doing it at my home garage, so I took some tools with me, and let's start. You can hear the vibration, humming noise, what this bearing makes. The whole car is almost shaking, I can feel it with my feet. Now let's take the wheel off first, 21mm. Now once you got the wheel off, we have to take the brake caliper off, brake disc off, start with the caliper, 17mm. Now such a long range in order to grab them loose. One bolt is over here, and the second one is, if you can see, let me point it. Once you got the brake disc off, it's held in with two small nuts like that, screws. Take the disc off, then there is 4 bolts, one over here, which hold the hub, the bearing against this hub, one down here, and you need 40mm wrench in order to undo them. Now, upper 2 ones up here, and this one, and down the third one, the passenger side, you can get access pretty easily. Now, the 4th one, the bolt, you can't put any wrench on top of there. Using this normal head wrench like that, you can damage the bolt head itself, and because there were no new bolts with the new bearing in kit, then I need to take them off that way that I can reuse them. And this one won't fit, and in order to make this one fit, I take this cotter pin out, blast this ball joint nut off. Once you took the gun and blasted the ball joint nut off, you can actually reach in with wrench. You don't have to beat and tap it in or touch this bolt itself. It can go in pretty easily, see, and it's already cracked loose. Take the cotter pin out. Let's release the CV joint, drive shaft. Cotter pin out, 32mm, crack it loose. Take it out, and now we can proceed taking out those 4 bearing bolts which hold this bracket, the hub itself. Good tip, once you're undoing those bolts, the bearing bolts, which hold this hub in this knuckle, if the drive shaft comes in the way and you can't really turn the wrench, take your finger and just move the shaft away, so you have enough clearance in order to get those bolts loosened. And we have the bad wheel bearing extracted. I don't know. Yeah, it's sticking, and take the wheel brush with the drill, clean the inner surface as well. There is ABS sensor part, the plastic part, don't grind it. You don't want to break it. We don't need to break it. Make sure you get these mating surfaces nice and shiny and clean, and apply some anti-seize and put the new unit in, which we have already here, ready to install. Now, I had to reuse the old bolts because the new bearing did not come with the new ones. Now, take the longer wrench, make sure then they are nice and tight. You don't need to torque them down with the correct spec. The correct torquing spec you need to apply into this drive shaft, because this is the one which presses the bearing together. Now the brake disc is back on. I put the caliper back on, and down here the ball joint one, make sure you put the new cotter pin as well. Brand new cotter pin. Same with the wheel bearing. I'm going to torque this down properly. Take the torque wrench, take the pry bar, put between the lugs to hold it in place. 230 Newton meters to torque this drive shaft down, and 32mm. 230 Newton meters, torque it down. put the new quarter pin in and you are good to go. Now another test drive after the wheel bearing has been changed. Car is super quiet, no problems.